What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Food Arrow. Today we're going to be making banana crumb muffins. These muffins are so fluffy and light, you can eat them any time of day. Let's get started. In a bowl, pour the flour, sugar, and cinnamon and mix the ingredients together. And then add butter or margarine and mix with a fork. Keep mixing until crumbly. It should look something like this. Put aside while preparing the muffin batter. For the muffins, pour in the flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and sugar. In another bowl, mix together the bananas, eggs, and butter. Now combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Grease a muffin tin and fill each well about 2/3 of the way with the batter. Spread the crumbs evenly on top of each muffin. Now bake for 18 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees. You can use a toothpick to test to see if they're done. If any batter comes out on the toothpick, they need to go a little bit longer. They should come out golden brown just like this. Be sure to check out our Instagram and make sure to subscribe if you want to see more tasty videos like this. Until then, happy eating.